Hi everybody and welcome to today's DieselDucy. DieselDucy.com eBay item unboxing. That's right, in this box is an item that came from Naples, Florida. I have mine and the seller's address covered up for privacy reasons, so let's go ahead and open this box. Here we go. This covering up the address is not going as well as I thought, so I'll continue cutting through it, and it should open up here in just a second. Alright, you ready to see what's inside? Using the key to an old Corbin lock to open this eBay item. It's almost open. Alright, one more piece of tape. And let's see what's inside this box. Ready to have a peek? Oh wow, it's even got tape on the inside. This is definitely interesting. Oh, look how well packed it is. They did a great job packing this item. Now we'll go ahead and get rid of the box. Let's open this up. Gosh, this is well packed. Still got some more stuff to go through. I think we're getting close to it now. Wow, this is one of the most well packed items I've ever got. Looks like we're getting close to it. And there it is. Wow. Look at that. You know what this is, right? Old Otis elevator button. Oh wow. That's how it works. This is just like the one on the Guggenheimer or the Rush Rees Library. So I'll do an in-depth review of this at a later time. Oh, look at that. It's even got a light bulb in there. I don't know if it's any good or not, but there it is. Old Otis elevator button. We'll take a close look at it. Very well built. And there it is, and that's it.